Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can easily enable or disable dark mode in your Google Chrome in your Windows. Either it could be Windows 11 or any of the particular Windows. It will work on all. First of all, open Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, let me show you that currently it's dark mode in my Google Chrome. I opened YouTube and you can see that here it's already in dark mode. I will show you how to do this. You have to open new tab and type here Chrome colon double slash then flags. After typing Chrome colon double slash flags, you have to press enter here. A new window will be shown like this. Here in the search bar you have to type dark. After typing dark, you will see this particular option auto dark mode for web contents. In this, my PC is showing dark mode in Google Chrome in the default version only. You have to go to enabled version to enable dark mode in your PC if it's not showing the dark mode in your PC. After clicking on enable, you have to relaunch this. Like I will show you, have to click on relaunch and your Google Chrome will be converted into dark mode. I hope your Chrome is converted into dark mode. Thanks for watching this video.